Have you ever sent an Excel file to someone only to have them open it and tell you the formatting is completely broken, columns shifted, rows misaligned, fonts changed, and suddenly your neat spreadsheet looks like a mess on their screen? It happens because Excel files look different depending on the software, the version, and even the device someone's using to open them. Today, that problem ends. I'm going to show you how to convert any Excel sheet into a clean, properly formatted PDF in just a few seconds, so it looks exactly the same no matter who opens it or where. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the tool. Go to the VelaPDF website and click on Excel to PDF. That's your starting point. Step 2. Upload your file. Select your .xlsx file or any Excel file you're working with. You can drag and drop it directly or upload it manually. Once it's uploaded, give it a moment to process. Step 4. Convert the file. Once you're ready, click Convert to PDF. The tool processes your file almost instantly, transforming your spreadsheet into a properly formatted document. Step 5. Preview the output. Before downloading, take a moment to preview the converted PDF. Check that your tables, columns, and data all appear correctly, exactly the way you intended them to look.
Use cases. Now let's talk about who this is especially useful for. Students working on assignments with charts and data tables can convert their spreadsheets into a clean, presentable format before submission. Office workers dealing with reports and sheets can share information without worrying about formatting breaking on someone else's computer. Accountants managing invoices and data sheets can generate PDFs that stay locked in place, protecting the integrity of the numbers. Businesses preparing financial reports can present their data professionally without the risk of accidental edits. And teachers managing marksheets and student records can convert them into a stable, shareable format that looks the same for every parent or administrator who opens it. Basically, anyone who works with spreadsheets and needs to share them reliably will find this incredibly useful.
Benefits. Let's talk about why this actually matters. First, it keeps your formatting completely clean and consistent no matter what device or software someone uses to open it. Second, it makes sharing so much easier because the recipient doesn't even need Excel installed to view your data. Third, since PDFs aren't easily editable, there's no risk of someone accidentally changing your numbers or formulas. Fourth, it works on any device, phone, tablet, or computer, so accessibility is never an issue. And finally, the output always looks polished and professional, which matters a lot when you're sharing reports with clients, teachers, or management. All of this combined makes Excel to PDF conversion one of the simplest ways to protect and present your data properly. Now let's look at the transformation. Here's the raw Excel sheet, functional but with all the usual formatting risks that come with spreadsheets. And here's the final PDF, clean, structured, and looking exactly like a proper report. Side by side, you can see how much more professional and shareable the converted version is. It's the same data, but presented in a way that's ready for anyone to view anywhere. So if you're tired of formatting issues every time you share a spreadsheet, convert your Excel file to PDF right now. Head to VelaPDF, upload your Excel file, convert it, and download it instantly. If this tutorial helped you out, do like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which tool you'd like me to cover next. See you in the next video. Until then, thank you for watching.